Rice, Oryza sativa, is one of the most important food crops in the world, especially in Asia. Rice is the main source of rice, the staple food for more than half of the world's population, but the main challenges in rice cultivation that farmers must face. 1. Climate change. Unpredictable weather, irregular rain, prolonged drought, sudden floods, disrupts planting and harvesting schedules. Increased temperatures can affect the quality and quantity of the harvest. 2. Pest and disease attacks. Main pests: brown planthoppers, rats, stem borers, armyworms. Main diseases: blast, leaf disease, tungro, leaf spots, stem rot. Pest attacks can cause crop failure of up to 100% if not handled quickly.